Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with LandGate for investor tax map research, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin your authentication process with LandGate, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LandGate homepage. Locate the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your login details are correct, you will be directed to your LandGate dashboard. From the dashboard, access the Investor Tax Map Research section. Look for the menu or tab labeled Research or Tax Maps. Click on that section to enter the relevant area for investor tax map research. You might need to provide additional authentication, such as a two-factor authentication code, if prompted. If required, check your email or mobile device for the authentication code. Enter the code in the specified field and confirm your access. Now that you're authenticated, utilize the search features provided on the platform. Input the parameters for the tax map research, such as location or type of land. Explore the various options for filtering your results to refine your search. Once you've identified the desired tax map, click on it for more detailed information. Review the data and insights provided to assist your investment decisions. When you're finished, make sure to log out of your account for security purposes. To log out, return to the top right corner and click on your user profile or account icon. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with LandGate and conducted your investor tax map research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.